Okay, I'm sorry. I just got the video, so it will be like the second one because my manager called me. And then for the report, we're gonna see for the sales report. For this sales report one, it will like including all of the sales with the income that you have. For the sales details, if you go click by this, it will mean it means that you're gonna go for each transaction. You can also see the payment mode or the type of the payment, the charge, and also like the invoice such things. You can go by this, and also the sales amount will be like the income that you have for that one day. And also if you want to have like a more detailed one, we can go with the sales item by that, and then you can click like watch that you're gonna use, for example this last days, and then it will show like the items that you have right now, and then the transaction number and the date. And if you go downloading with the Excel, it will show also like the type of the payment, the customer name if you have one, and also like this, the sales by whom, the date, and also the time will show. And also the lies, it will be like the profit loss report that you will see the income here. And also if you have like the cost of goods sold, it will also putting here if you put like the buy price or the cost, and also the expense that you have until the last, for the net profit it will count by themselves. So I think that's the most important one for the restaurant type of business that will be use this cashier system. And if you want to have the settings, we also can have this restaurant mode setting, which means you can clicking like what numbers of tables that you have and how much the customer. We can go by that. And also we also have food delivery. Actually it is really used, yeah, our mostly our customer that have like the FnB type of business, they're using this. So actually for the food delivery you can mark up the price. For example, in here you can see the matcha latte. I'm gonna type it, matcha latte. This matcha latte is 20,000 rupiah, right? But because Indonesia we're using for delivery such as GrabFood and then GoFood, and actually they using like a markup for the price. So mostly it's 20%. So if I'm gonna choose like the in a way and I'm gonna choose for the GoFood, the price gonna mark up right away by themselves. Yeah, right away by its system. I mean, you just have to activate this first, and then you have to adding like what product that you want to add, and also like the percentage that you have for the markup or the markdown, like this. And also if you have the tax and charge, we can also edit here like this. It will have the task. You can put like the name of the task and then the tax percentage and also the service charge, like how much you're gonna add. And just make sure every updates that you do in here, you have to also update it here. So you have to synchronize it first. And also for the stores, if you have staffs, you can go by the owner, supervisor, and such things. And if you want to try our system, actually, you can go making an account by me. I will make an account for you, and you can have like a free trial for 2 weeks. So after explaining all of them, I will explain to you about the package that we have for Olsera. And currently we have three package which are basic, premium, and pro. So for the explanation that I told you before, actually it's already being included to all package except for the restaurant mode. So if you have the FnB, I will suggest you to subscribe for this premium one. It can go by year or by month, and then it can go by the Android, iOS, Windows, and then also you can go with the food delivery, and then this one, the table, and then you can send to kitchen or even like the kitchen display. It's provided in this package. For the premium, for the basic, it's actually for the simple type of business, such as retail. And also for the last, for the pro, the difference would be like the Olsera accounting. So if you're using accounting, in here we can have like the list of accounts, and then the receivable, the payable, the asset that you have right now, and then the closing reports we can put it in this application. So I think that's all. And also for the device that we have currently, I will send you by email, if you want to. And if you have any question towards this application, you can ask me directly. Thank you. Good evening.